ChatGPT is the heavyweight champ of AI. It reportedly boasts about 900 million weekly active users. But new data shows it could be losing some ground to one of its main rivals, namely Google's Gemini. Deirdre Bosa joins us now with more. Deirdre?
Hey, Kelly. So we've talked about this before. There's been a lot of speculation about whether Gemini is really making a dent in ChatGPT's lead. So take a look at this chart we had made up based on data from Similarweb. And the answer really is, in the end, the slope here on the end. ChatGPT visits grew 50% in 2025. They peaked in October, down 11% since then. Gemini usage, meanwhile, started its upward trend in November, right around the time Gemini 3 was released. In November and December, percentage gains for Gemini was nearly 30% versus OpenAI's traffic, which decreased about 6%. So, guys, the real question now is whether this trend can be sustained. Part of it is the law of large numbers. ChatGPT just has such a huge base. It makes its growth look milder. Gemini's more than fivefold gain last year. That comes off of a small base. The real signal in this chart is not that OpenAI is losing, but that Google may finally be converting distribution into usage. And so if that trend holds, the next battle is retention, which, Kelly, we've talked about plenty.
But so in other words, there's no dispute that Gemini is gaining ground on ChatGPT?
According to this third-party data, no. Gemini is gaining ground, but I mean, ChatGPT, OpenAI, is still the undisputed leader. It's just so much far ahead.